Welcome to this training session on riveting tools. The various tools needed in the normal course of driving and upsetting rivets include drills, rivet cutters, bucking bars, riveting sets, countersinking equipment, rivet guns, squeezers and microshavers. Before proceeding, let's review the anatomy of a solid shank rivet. Hand tools are used for driving and upsetting, swelling the shop head by beating or pressing to fasten rivets. They include rivet cutters, bucking bars, hand riveters, countersinks, and more that will be covered in other training sessions. The rivet cutter is used to trim rivets when rivets of the required length are unavailable. The bucking bar is a heavy chunk of steel that is held against the shank end of a rivet while the shop head is being formed during rivet installation. If a bucking bar is too large or heavy, it may be difficult to control and may cause damage to the surrounding structure, whereas a bucking bar that is too light will not properly upset the rivet before work hardening occurs. A hand rivet set is a tool equipped with a die for driving a particular type rivet. Rivet sets are available to fit every size and shape of rivet head. If the radius of the set is too small, the rivet head may be damaged, whereas a set with an oversized radius may cause damage to the sheet metal. The countersinking tool is a tool that cuts a cone-shaped depression around the rivet hole to allow the rivet to set flush with the surface of the skin. Countersinks are made with angles to correspond with the various angles of countersunk rivet heads. The most common power tools used in riveting are the pneumatic rivet gun, rivet squeezers, and the microshaver. These are pneumatic rivet guns used for upsetting rivets. This is a hand squeezer. There is also a pneumatic squeezer, where the jaws are driven by air rather than by squeezing the handles together. A microshaver is used if the smoothness of the material, such as skin, requires that all countersunk rivets be driven within a specific tolerance. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.